Here we have custom chrome head bolt covers. They are chrome knurled. You see the knurling on the side. These are new old stock. They have been discontinued and you can no longer get these anywhere unless somebody has some in stock. So once these are gone, we will no longer have them ever again. These fit 84 to 99 Evolution, 99 to 17 Twin Cam, and 88 to 21 Sportsters. As long as you have a 12-point head bolt, these will fit right over them. Just as an example, this is an 88 to 03 Harley Sportster head. There are 4 head bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The ones next to the spark plug are the ones that you put these on. They are secured by a small Allen bolt. And that's how they look once they are on the bike. The link for these will be in the video description. So if you're looking for some cool dress-up parts for your Harley, here's a simple way to add a little bling. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe.